So when you do restore and recovery, answer is 20 GB first of all. So explanation is here. When you do restore of 13 GB or recovery of 13 GB, whatever, okay, if you have 100 GB data file, if you restore 13 GB, whatever the data is there, so still you think that's the correct one? No, right? You have to get your original file. How would data DB know that? How much data file got added, right? Remember, that's the reason always linked with your basics. You know what? When you do start restore or recoveries and whatever, it will synchronize with your control file. Control file will know that. The previous question and this question is interrelated. Think about that. How do you recreate a control file? How to do recreation of your control file in control file management class? How you are going to do that? What command we are going to use it to be able to recreate the control file? If you would like to rename your database, what command you are going to use it? If you would like to recreate new database, how you are going to do that? Cloning your database using control file, how you going to do that? Using control file itself, right? How you going to reuse it for control file, guys? How to recreate the control file? What command we are going to use from the database? Control file from SPFile. We can get from create people from SPFile. Do you think you can create a control file from people to SPFile? No, we don't. Because create people is a static file. Yep, go ahead. We can take it from trace file. Exactly, that's a command. All the database backup control file to trace. That will be able to generate the trace file in which location, guys? Hold on, please. Who said that? UDUM. Yes, the answer is UDUM. So the generation will be on UDUM location. So what exactly we need to consider when you are trying to recreate your control file? It will generate some structure of creation of your control file. Control file will have the activities of how many data files were there and what is the. Let me show you real quick. When you need to wait. Let me show you. Okay. Okay. Wait. Wait to be. Okay. Look at here. What do you have? It generated your control file here. So we need to consider what exactly we needed other than information. What right? Ansible is the one you can ignore the database. See, here is a script it got generated. So what stage you are going to create the control file? Startup download stage. So here is the control file which they use the database name as with what is that level by information with arcalog if the database is currently arcalog files to maintain the information. That's why from basic every day from first point I'm saying control file will synchronize the activities of your Redolog files and data files for maintaining the information. what is the data files, what is the max you can use it, and you should be able to see the character set as well. This is what what your control file do. So when you do restore or recovery, please observe it carefully and try to when you're connecting to the ARM, and you should be able to see you'll be able to see it that it will synchronize with your control file. Recovery catalog will synchronize with your control file. That's not the reason. Even though if you do restore and recoveries with your ARM and target, it is not connected to your catalog. Still, it doesn't matter. Still, it doesn't matter. They automatically do those things. Those are the things, guys. So, still, any questions? Because see, the definition. Who's maintaining definition here? Your control file. Control file will know what happened at the particular point of time. So I'm just giving key to the previous question also. Let's think about that. Send me your inputs. Report more. Okay. So what I said it will do, whenever you do restore or recoveries, if suppose you did through ARM and target only, when you're trying to connect it to the recovery catalog, your catalog will synchronize activities to your control file. The control file will know that what happened. So that obviously it will come to know, okay, this is what happened and we are going to restore it. So before getting into the connecting to the target database, you should be able to synchronize with your control file. So that it will know, okay, this is what happened. So when you do restore recovery, the same thing. It will first of all synchronize with your actual control file. That will come to know, okay, here is the thing, it happened. It synchronizes with your control file. Control file will have the information about your specific data file. Okay, this data file is this one. Still any questions, guys? You see clearly here. What is the data file information? Right? If suppose 10 data files there, I have 10 data files information. If there are any questions, let me know. If not, let's go to next topic. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about data guard. So what is meant by data guard? How are you going to use